Two-wheel drive buggy mod B-main.
Red flag the race.
No way. Oh no, go.
Start.
Nope, nope. Suck it up.
Back everyone.
Learn to drive, everybody. It's a 5-minute race. So that's the start of the two-wheel drive buggy mod B-main. One and two. Oh, nice little pass. Let's watch everybody funnel through the bowl here. This is B-main. I think only one bumps. I'm taping from the far side of the stand. Everybody wants that A-main off of that. There's a whole lot of running into people. I think that's Ray out front. Oops. Ray running away from it a little bit. Gonna get that bump. That's him over the little double kicker there. To the infield. Down the hill into the bowl. Up and out. Chicane. No focus. So let's see what the rest of the pack looking like. Oh, there's a battle. Oh, was a battle. Oh, it doesn't stop. If you tag somebody from behind and cause them to spin, you should wait. Now that's easy to preach standing here holding the camera. Harder to remember in the heat of battle, but I try to. I like to think I'm a courteous driver out here. Maybe I'm just making that shit up, but Ray running away with it, I think. If not, gets him. Oh, easy, easy. Don't yell at anybody. Relax, relax. Hey, easy, Tiger.
Who's leading? Who's leading?
So he's out in the lead. Got tangled up. That happens. Show a little patience. Show a little respect. Ooh, that's not good.
1 minute left.
Go, go, go.
I want you focus. Oh, we're bumping two. Kenny's up into second, wherever Kenny's buggy is. Excuse me. Ooh. So Ray and Kenny bumped to the A.